Alright, it's almost getting dark, so time to go back. It was really nice today to have that breeze and the sound of the waves as well. Just made me feel whenever you go away, I needed that. So special at the end of the day. Just wanted to get away from everything that plays the mind and the soul busy. So yeah, hitting through friends right now. But it's good, after all, when we are so much associated with a lot of materialistic stuff that makes our life miserable and slavery at some point, because we're so much addicted to what we call, technology, what we call work, money, and more of anything that we would probably say, yeah, that's materialistic. But being with nature and hearing all that beautiful sounds, the sound of birds, the sound of the waves, you hear it's just simply amazing, and nothing can be really replaced what we are thankful for, So I just wanted to make this little video at the end of the day showing you guys that, come on, you gotta leave everything you have, and have that special moment every now and then for yourself, and only for yourself. You don't need to really think of other people and other things.